of steel and a heart made of gold. If you don't know, then I'll tell you so. He works most his life, but he partied all night. Whiskey by the gallon and a cigarette light. Tough young hands and a young old man, wilder than hell and crazy as sin. But the Marlboro man, he was a good friend of mine, and I'd give anything to go back in time, to listen to his stories and take some advice. They say late teens, they never die. Well, hi there pluckers, I've sort things again with you with hopefully another interesting little ditty for you. This is a song from a gentleman called Colten Jesse, and the song's called Marlboro Man, like in the cigarettes, okay. Standard tuning, but capo on the 4th fret puts us into the same key as Colten Jesse plays this song in, right. What you heard there was basically about half the song, and basically everything is just repeated again with some different words, okay, so you've got everything you need to play the song, okay. So without more to do, let me show you what I did, okay. Right then, let's start with the intro. Basic chords, fairly straightforward in this song. You've got basically an F, a C, an A minor and a G. That shape or that shape, whichever G you like, okay. So the intro, which is also the outro, is basically an F chord. You start with an F chord and you lift up the second finger from the 3rd string and you strum into it and hammer into that 2nd fret on the 3rd string, right? Like that sort of thing, okay. Then what you do is you take that finger off again and do so it's with that. Got that? Then go to a C chord. Okay, so we got slowly. So you hammer in, then take it off. Okay. Then what we do is we play the lift up the 2nd finger on the C chord and hit the C chord from the 4th string downwards. Like play the 4th string and 3rd string mainly, yeah. So it's that's what I do anyway. Okay, lift up that 2nd finger, so you open 4th, open 3rd sort of thing. Okay, and then repeat the F. Back to the C, lift up that finger again, play the 4th and 3rd strings open. Right, so now you've got 2 of those, so it's you need a 3rd time. Right, on the 3rd time round, after you played the C, you hammer into that, open up the 2nd string again, the 4th string again with the 2nd finger, and this time hammer into it back again, like that. So you've got 2 times like that. Okay, got that. So 3 times altogether. On the last one, you just, when you play that open 4th, you hammer into the 2nd fret. So slowly. Okay, got that so far. Then we play an A minor, 5th string downwards, open 5th string. Then move up the 2nd finger up to the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Hit that note. second on the fifth, okay? And then back to the C chord. So now we've got this. Slowly, very slowly. Got that? Right. When you got to the C, that's one, you do a strum and then you do that hammer again. Open fourth string, lift up the second finger and then hammer back in again. So up to that point. Sorry. Start again. Okay, that's as far as we've got. Then there's a bit of a tricky bit. It's optional. Okay, he does it on the, on his videos. I've seen him do it. And it took a little to figure out what he was doing, but I think what he's doing, there's a little fiddly bit, and it's like that bit. So after you've done that C, it's very quick, okay? So you do, after you've done that C, and then you do that open fourth string hammer, immediately afterwards you play the C chord again and you hammer into, use your pinky to hammer into the third fret from the capo on the fourth string to make a suspended C chord, and then lift it immediately off. So you've got, then lift up the second finger, so you've got an open fourth string, and then you hammer back again. So so far. Okay, but that's optional. If you want to leave that out, you can, but it's on the record. Okay, so and then that's it. That's the intro, and also most of that is the outro as well. Okay, on the outro it just finishes on that A minor, and that's how it finishes on the record. Okay, so once again, very slowly, this is the hardest part of the record. Okay, so okay, and then we're into the song, and it's basically C to F. Oh, sorry, F to C rather, not C to F, F to C. It goes, hands made of steel, heart made of gold, if you don't know. Okay, so it's F to C, F to C, F to C. Hands made of steel and a heart made of gold, if you don't know. Three lots of F to C, and then you go back to that A minor build up again for the final line bit. Okay, so it's hand made of steel and a heart made of gold. If you don't know, then I'll tell you so. It's that A minor, second on the fifth, along with the open fourth if you want, and then the C, and that's that tell you so. Okay, and that's the first verse. When you've done that, you come out of that tell you so. You do that open fourth again, hammer, and then that little fiddly bit if you can do it, and then you're into the next part of the verse. Okay, so right from the beginning of the first verse, hands made of steel and a heart made of gold, if you don't know, then I'll tell you so. And then repeat the whole thing, okay? He works most his life, but he partied all night. Whiskey and tillin' and a cigarette light. Got that, it just repeats the whole thing with different words. Okay, and the third part of the verse is just F to C, F to C, F to C all the way through. It doesn't go to the A minor. Okay, tough young hands and a young old man, wilder than hell, crazy as sin. It's the same thing on the end of it with that hammer and then that fiddly bit, but you don't go to the A minor on that final part of the verse. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go right from the intro very slowly. Missed it. So we do it again. Verse. Hands made of steel and a heart made of gold. If you don't know, then I'll tell you so. He works most of his life and he's partied all night. Whiskey by the gallon and a cigarette light. Final part. Tough young hands and a young old man, wilder than hell and crazy as sin. Okay, got the idea? Then he goes into the chorus. Right, the only thing left is the chorus, and that's G, F, C, A minor. Okay, and my old man was a good friend of mine. And there's a quick hammer on the A minor. Okay, so it's G, Marlboro, F, man was a C, good friend of A minor, and then that hammer, open up the second finger again from the A minor and hammer back into that second fret. So, Marlboro man was a good friend of mine, and then it just repeats, okay? And I'd give anything to go back in time, and again to listen to his stories and take some advice. This time it does it twice. Okay, so it does it two lots of A minor after that third line. Okay, so from the beginning of the chorus, Marlboro man was a good friend of mine, and to give anything to go back in time, to listen to his stories and take some advice. Two lots. And then finally, F, they say C, legends, A minor build up, they never die. So that's, they say legends, they never die. Slowly. They say legends, they never die. And then it's the usual thing, hammer, fiddly bit, and then the intro comes in, okay? Okay, got that? So from the chorus, right from the beginning of the chorus, the Marlboro man said a good friend of mine, give anything to go back in time, to listen to his stories and take some advice. Twice. They say legends, they never die. Intro. Next verse, and then goes into the next verse. Smart as a lux, he never gave up. Yeah, it carries on just like that. Okay, it's exactly the same all over again with different words. Okay, so you've got all the bits you need there. Okay, hopefully. So good luck with that. So very basic, simple number, but some fiddly bits in there which are a bit tricky. But they're optional. You could leave those out if you find them too difficult. Thanks very much for watching, listening. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.